time for a very special Harvard Business School edition of the Lightning Round Mad Money. That's where I take the calls about party, saving the stock, talking about buy, sell, sell, we know the cards, once I've done. My staff bears the Cramer, so you're playing the sound. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Let's start with Rago from Canada. Rago.
Booyah from the Great White North, Jim. My question relates to private equity involvement within healthcare. Earlier this year, KKR took $1 billion stake in Henry Schein and appointed board members from the Heartland Dental deal. In your view, can private equity discipline transform this company, or is this...
They need to, because, they charge too much. But they make a ton of money, and that last quarter is really good. I've got to tell you, I was very surprised. Ring the opening bell yesterday. I looked through the numbers again. I think it's good stock. You've got a good one there. Let's go to Brianna from California. Brianna.
Hi, my name is Brianna, and I'm from San Francisco.
All right.
If you were an HBS student today, what sector would you bet your career on?
Right now, I know this is going to be it's going to be boring, but I would still go with storage. That's the problem. We just don't have enough storage. So anybody who has it, because I'm talking about storage like derivative, like Cramer Research, like KLA, like Applied Materials. Thank you. Yes.
Jim, thanks for being here. Bloom Energy, can the company grow?
Damn it! The Bloom Energy. I was against Bloom for so long, and I kept thinking that it's been 20 years. They've only been public for about 10, but for 20 years they were trying to make a lot of money, and they couldn't. And then boom, it clicked, and it's going higher. This stuff works. It absolutely works, and it's been remarkable. Thank heaven they stuck with it. Congratulations to them. Thank you. Yes, Jordan, Tennessee.
Hey, Jim, thanks so much for being here. I wanted to ask you about Tyler Technologies. The company's traded down recently, along with a lot of other application software companies.
I don't like
curious where you see it goes from here.
This is, you're in that sweet spot for the Bears. It's too hard. It's just too hard. Everyone's taking shots at them, and it's still got a 40 PE. Let's hold off, okay? Let's go to Zachary from North Carolina. Zachary.
My question is simple. Is Boeing finally getting their act together?
Yes. The answer is yes. And under 200, I want to buy it. I thought the last quarter was really very good. It had very positive cash flow. The reason why people didn't like it was because of the charge that I actually thought everyone knew would come, and the fact that 777 has been pushed back a year. I think you buy Boeing right here and put it away. And I'm talking about buy Boeing in size. Let's go to Ash from Jersey. Ash.
Booyah, Jim. Thanks for all that you do.
Thank you.
My question's on ticker TSLA. Does it trade like an auto company, or is it the future of
it's entirely trading as if it's on autonomous drive and on robot, and therefore you got to own it. Look, up another 17 today. I've got to tell you that it's a miracle. When the stock went down to 250, everyone said they hated it, and then it morphed into what we're just talking about. And I think that as long as he wins that shareholder vote and stays, the stock can go up much higher. Let's go to Santiago from New Jersey. Santiago.
Jim, Chipotle has been getting crushed. Where does the stock go from here?
I don't know. I mean, Chipotle, I think, has probably settled down. It's probably going to go down to 23, 24 times earnings. It means it could still break down a little bit more from here. I don't like it's too expensive. That's what happened. Not executing well either. I sure wish it would. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.